All right, it's December today, December 10th, I think, and we're smoking today. So what are we smoking? I'm gonna show you guys what I'm smoking. All right, this is the Pit Boss. I love this thing. Had it for already 4 years, I think. Water in the bottom. You got to make sure you have water. First layer, salmon. Second, let me move this to the side. Ooh, the bacon honey, and then we have our steak, New York steak with the rub. Get ready to smoke our steak for the outside, right? So I'm gonna prepare it here, and it's very simple on this one. We're just gonna add rub. You can make your own rub. I'm just damn lazy today, every day mostly. So rub it down. The knife I was using earlier, I don't want to touch it. That's why I want to massage it just a little bit. Then we'll flip it. That's it. We're gonna put this on the side. We're gonna take it to the smoker in a bit right now. But before we do that, we're also gonna smoke some bacon. So same thing. Add the rub everywhere. And don't forget the best important thing. So what I like to do, this is sweet, all right? Sweet cooking seasoning margarine, all right? Marine, I'm sorry. So I like to add just a little bit here, not too much. Just to juice it up and get something going in there. It's alcoholic, right? So it's gonna smell like alcohol. And then I love me some honey. Hey, question for Robert. Do you happen to have any honey? All right, simple. And this is all bacon that was gonna stay there for a while, but it's going to the smokehouse. So these two are ready, and we also have a salmon that we pre-seasoned too, and we're ready to go. Let me start putting things away and start getting the heater up. Salmon, steak, and I put them on separate levels because if it drips on the bottom, it's fine. Gives some flavor, but a couple hours. We're gonna keep an eye on it. We're cooking about 120 degree, 130. So we're gonna turn it up in a bit right now. We're gonna turn it up to go to 290 to make it hotter. And right now it's gonna go high. And let's check our pellets. We got plenty of pellets in there. Lots of pellets. So I'm not gonna close the valve to keep some of the smoke in there. The sucker's been lasting me quite a while, and it works very well. 4 years already with it. So you guys are gonna get something like this. I used it maybe 20 times out of those 4 years. But look at this smoke. You can smoke. It's coming out everywhere. It's coming out from here. Make sure your door is locked. Your door is locked. Yeah, it is locked. It's getting loose probably. I might have to reinforce it, but no, it's smoking. Just make sure you open this valve here, or you can close it if you want down, keep more smoke, or release more smoke. And it's because we just turned it up. Let it run. All right, it's been about an hour. Let's check the progress on everything. So we're gonna start covering it up in a bit. But the salmon is ready. I'm gonna cook it a little bit longer. Oh man, that looks beautiful. I'm gonna wrap this up in a bit. Bacon looks almost ready too. So give it a couple more minutes. We just got it out of the smoker. About 3 hours. 2.5, I'll say. 3 hours, just to be safe. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Ooh, I smell it. It's just you can't show that in video, but oh my god, oh my goodness. Let's cut a little piece. Just a little piece to taste it. Just oh my god, look at this. Look at this beautiful piece of meat. Oh my god. Let's taste it. Let's taste it. Look at that beautiful tenderized, caramelized. Let me put you guys on film so you guys can see. Well, first bite. It looks incredible. It looks like oh my god. I have to take a second bite. That's how good it is. That Pitmaster, look how beautiful it tenderized it. Perfectly made all around, well tender. And then this is a New York steak. Oh my god, I can't even describe it. It was one of the best pieces of meat I ever had. All right, we just got the bacon out. Still hot. But look at this beautiful crystallized bacon, honey, rub. Look at this. Oh, let's try some. All right. Get out of here. Get the. This is incredible. Tastes like honey, beef jerky. Doesn't taste nothing like bacon. It's like a whole another level. That thing is freaking good. Oh my god. Tastes incredible. Look at this caramelized bacon that I just smoked. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to give some to my wife so she could try some. I don't know what I did, but I don't think I'm ever gonna copy the same recipe I just done. Maybe because we cooked it with the bacon. It gave it extra flavor, but came out really tender. Really beautiful, especially with the smoker. When you're doing stuff like that, it took me about 3 hours at 250, I believe it was, on Fahrenheit. But look at this beautiful, look at that juice. Oh my god, that is incredible. The spices and everything else. Beautiful. Everything has flavor. Look at this. I could squeeze it. I think next time I'm gonna do like New York steaks. Oh my god. And the drippings. I'm not gonna lie to you. The drippings are fucking, they're incredible. My god. Oh my god. Really. Incredible. I'm eating today because tomorrow it's not going to be good. Incredible. All right, just got out of the smoker. All right, this is a smoked salmon, but look at caramelized all around it. And the reason I took it out is because this one I don't want to overcook, but it's not hardened yet. But look at this. Let's try a little bit. It looks like it's all well cooked all around. All right, let's try it. All right, trying it for the first time. Oh my god, it's good. It's really good. It needs a little bit more salt, but it's kind of like a little bit dry on the corners, but the inside is real moist because it's supposed to retain all that stuff. Look at this. The salmon well cooked all around. Oh, it's hot in the middle. It's good. Good.